So E56. So maybe you have a tumble dryer and it shows you the error code E56. You put everything inside here and it keeps on beeping. So E56 means that there is something wrong with your filter unit. Take out the filters. We take a look inside. Then we take a microfiber cloth. We stick it into the machine. And we still have some lint fibers down there in the bottom. And now it's all removed. Then we check the bigger lint collector unit. And it's completely free from lint now, so it's perfectly clean. We place it back, push it all the way down. We install the inner filter unit. We close it. We turn off the machine. We turn it on again. And it's all working. So this is how you solve the problem E56, error code E56 on your Bosch tumble dryer.